Hello friends! If you are looking for the best new Orient watches for men, you are in the right place. All the watches product buying links were given in the video description. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and press the bell icon for my new videos notification. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment section. Number 7. Orient Howard Blue FAC 05007D. Stainless steel case with a dark brown leather strap. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Blue dial with luminous rose gold hands and alternating index and Arabic numeral hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Dial type, analog. Luminescent hands and markers. Date display at the 3 o'clock position. Orient caliber F6724 automatic movement with a 40-hour power reserve. Scratch-resistant mineral crystal. Pull-push crown, transparent case back, round case shape. Case size, 40.5 mm. Case thickness, 11.5 mm. Band width, 22 mm. Tang clasp, water resistant at 50 meters, 165 feet. Number 6. Orient King Diver Revival 200 meter RA-AA0D04G0HB. Great piece, a classic and beautiful proportion. Dial window material type, mineral. Display type, analog. Buckle clasp. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 43.8 mm. Case thickness, 14 mm. Band material, leather. Band size, men's standard. Band width, 20 mm. Band color, brown. Dial color, gold. Bezel material, stainless steel. Bezel function, bidirectional. Calendar, day, date. Item weight, 3 ounces. Japanese automatic movement. Water resistant depth, 660 feet. Number 5. Orient Envoy Mechanical Modern Classic Watch. This watch is perfect for the person new to the hobby or just need a nice dress watch. Greater watch, it makes tiny tick-tock sounds and I like it. Feels classy and classical, not noisy at all. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 42 mm. Case thickness, 11.5 mm. Band material, leather. Band size, men's standard. Band width, 20 mm. Band color, brown. Dial color, white. Bezel material, stainless steel. Bezel function, stationary. Calendar, date. Item weight, 2.5 ounces. Japanese automatic movement. Water resistant depth, 165 feet. In general, suitable for short periods of recreational swimming, but not diving or snorkeling. Number 4. Orient Blue Watch Diver FAA 02008D9. The band with the Dolphins logo is a bit strange, but I've got used to it. Still, you can always get another one. Lume is great, lasts all night. Dial window material type, mineral. Display type, analog. Push button fold over clasp with safety. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 41 mm. Case thickness, 13 mm. Band material, stainless steel. Band size, men's standard. Band width, 20 mm. Band color, silver. Dial color, blue. Bezel material, stainless steel. Bezel function, diving. Calendar, day, date. Special features, date, day, hour, minute, second. Item weight, 3.49 ounces. Movement, Japanese automatic. Water resistant depth, 660 feet. Number 3. Orient Mforce AC0L Japanese automatic hand-winding 200 meter ISO 6425 diver's watch. This Mforce fit the bill perfectly. This is one of those watches that look great in person instead of on their product picture. Dial window material type, sapphire crystal. Display type, analog. Double locking fold-over clasp. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 45 mm. Case thickness, 13.2 mm. Band material, stainless steel. Band size, unisex. Band width, 20 mm. Band color, silver. Dial color, red. Bezel material, stainless steel. Bezel function, unidirectional. Calendar, date. Special features, ISO 6425 compliant. Movement, Japanese automatic. Water-resistant depth, 200 meters. Number 2. Orient Black Watch Diver FAA 02007B9. Dial window material type, mineral. Display type, analog. Push-button fold-over clasp with safety. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 41 millimeters. Case thickness, 13 millimeters. Band material, stainless steel. Band size, men's standard. Band width, 20 millimeters. Band color, silver. Dial color, black. Bezel material, stainless steel. Bezel function, diving. Calendar, day, date. Special features, date, day, hour, minute, second. Item weight, 3.49 ounces. Movement, Swiss automatic. Water-resistant depth, 660 feet. Number 1. Orient Men's Kamasu Watch RA-AA0005B19A. Great watch at a great price. This watch is stunning in person. Overall, for the price, this is probably the best watch you can buy. I love this watch. It is beautiful and well made for the price point. Dial window material type, synthetic sapphire. Display type, analog. Buckle clasp. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 41.8 millimeters. Case thickness, 12.8 millimeters. Band material, silicone. Band size, men's standard. Band width, 22 millimeters. Band color, silver. Dial color, black. Bezel material, stainless steel. Bezel function, diving. Calendar, day, date. Item weight, 3.6 ounces. Movement, Japanese automatic. Water-resistant depth, 660 feet.